Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time and date on your Dugena watch. This is going to be the Dugena quartz model, and we are going to follow a few principles when setting the time and date. Now, something that you want to know on both quartz watches and mechanical watches is that usually the date wheel, so the wheel that engages when you want to change the date, and that is going to actually change the date, is going to engage between 9 and 12 o'clock or between 12 and 3 o'clock, especially if you have a day-date complication. So let me pull the crown to the last position and show you exactly what I'm talking about. So I'm going to go past 12 o'clock until the date is going to change, and we will be able to see that the date is going to engage, as you can see right here, between 9 and 12 o'clock. And as we go past 12 o'clock, the date is going to change. So something that you want to do is to always be outside of this area, so the upper semicircle, where the date usually is going to change and the date wheel is going to engage. The easiest way to remember is going to be to set the time at 6:30. In our case, we have the date exactly at 6:30, so I'm going to move it just a little bit to the left or to the right. So this is considered a safe zone, the place where the date wheel is not going to be engaged as you set the time and date. And this way you are going to know for sure that you are not going to damage your quartz or mechanical watch. Now, the second principle that we are going to do is to first set the date one day prior to our actual end goal. So let's presume that I want to make it the 15th of the month. I'm going to first set the date on the 14th, and then I'm going to go with the watch hands manually past 12 o'clock until the date changes, and I will be able to select AM or PM on my desired date. So now we are going to first push the crown all the way back in and pull it to the first position where you can actually change the date. Now we are going to rotate the watch crown until the date arrives one day prior to our actual end goal, in my case the 14th, and now I'm going to pull the crown to the last position, so this is going to be the third principle, and now I'm going to start to set the time and the date at the same time. So I'm going to go past 12 o'clock. As you can see, nothing changed. We need to go past 12 o'clock once again, just like this, and now we have arrived on my desired date, so the 15th, and now I can make it 3 a.m. so 3 in the morning. In case I want to make it p.m., I'm going to rotate the watch crown and go with the watch hands past 12 o'clock once again, just like this. And as you can see, the date did not change, so we are still on the 15th, but now it is p.m. So now I can make it 4 p.m., so 4 in the afternoon. And this is why you want to first set the date one day prior to your actual end goal, then pull the crown to the last position, set the time, and arrive on your desired date, and then choose AM or PM. After you have set the time correctly, make sure to push the crown all the way back in. Your watch is going to start ticking again, and now I know that I am on the 15th and it is 4 p.m. So guys, that was the quick principle that you need to apply when setting the time and date on vintage or modern quartz watches and even mechanical watches. In case you found value from this video, guys, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and if you are interested in purchasing your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, including this Dugena quartz watch. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you on the next one.